today we are opening Nasty Guy Kirby because 90% sale.
Yeah, huge sale.
Yeah, my husband is helping me today.
I'm the helper. Alright, so here comes the help.
Okay.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh. Ooh. So first,
How much?
get this big box.
Yeah.
Here, you can open it.
Ooh.
Oh!
Yeah. This here.
Whoa! I like that. Yeah, try them on.
Oh, size is good.
These are awesome. What? She's gonna be taller than me when she wears heels, though. That's the only downside. You always look taller than me. Those are the tall Nana shoes. And then here, you gonna open it up. Ba-ba-da-ba. What is this?
Oh,
Ooh.
what's that?
Ooh, these are cute.
Yeah.
Santa's little elf over here.
Oh.
What is this? Heard you've been looking for me, zebra flare pants. Whoa,
Okay.
flare pants. What is Oh!
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah.
Animal print for Nana.
Yeah.
We call that Nanimal. Oh, these are crazy. I like it.
Yeah.
It's really Nana style.
Yeah. Next.
Oh, this looks cute. Oh, this is upside down.
Yeah.
Here we go. Ooh, this is cute.
Yeah. Cute.
Originally $32, and after the sale for $10. Wow, that's awesome. I like this one. It's super cute.
Yeah. $10.
Here you go. What? It's a dress?
Yeah. Dress.
Ooh.
Yeah, pink dress.
Hot pink dress. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I like this.
So this is the last size. So
Oh, it was $48.
yeah.
So, oh, there's a little box in here. What is this? Body candle? What is a body candle? Sounds painful. What? Oh, it's like a literal body. What? It's actually a body candle. I was like, oh, it's like a candle for your body. No, it's a body-shaped candle.
Yeah.
What?
Decoration.
So we're just gonna watch this melt
Oh,
as
no.
we burn it every night? Oh my gosh.
Just the interior deco.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, Nana, you really went in on this sale.
I love sale.
I mean, hey, up to 90% off everything. That's pretty crazy.
Oh.
Here.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Oh, this is cute.
Yeah. Oh. I like it.
Look at that. Yeah, I like this material. It's like
Yeah.
really soft.
Finish?
No,
Yeah.
there's one more. Give it a snip. Woo! Try 'em on. Because they're made for her.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, these are awesome. I like it. It's like a studying look.
Oh, really?
Like, oh. So this first bag is done. And we have a big ol' whopping second bag. Oh, this one feels heavier than the first one. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. 90% off.
Oh.
Oh, this is big. Oh,
Oh,
it's like
oh.
heavy. Lace top ruffle midi dress.
Oh, this.
Oh, I see.
Oh.
Oh, they're long because I guess that's how human bodies are. Oh, I like it. It's like another ghost dress.
Oh, no.
Just kidding. I like the ghost dress. Spirit dresses. Oh, this is two. It's like a two-piece set right here. So,
Oh,
yeah. So.
this is so cheap.
Oh, it was $11.50. $11.50. Wow, that is
Yeah.
really good.
Isn't it?
It's soft too.
Isn't it?
All these materials are like really soft. I don't know anything about clothing. I just wear t-shirts all the time. But
But $11, so cheap.
yeah, the pattern, I guess. I don't know what you call it. I'm a boy. But this is awesome. Yeah. Girls get the fun clothing.
Yeah.
I feel like guys dress so boring. Guys always dress the same. At least I do anyway, and a lot of my friends do. But Nana, she's got new outfits every day. They're always so cute and different. And I'm like, Jog the Limelight stretch joggers in pink, of course, in classic Nana pink.
Yeah.
Oh, these look comfortable.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is $9.
Yeah.
The sale price is $9 anyway.
So.
All right. All right. Oh, well, what do we got here? Another body candle. How many body candles did you get? Let's see what body type this one is. It'd be awesome if it's like a guy and he's just hanging dong. Oh, and then the other one was purple, and this one is like a
Yeah.
cream white.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is the body.
Oh.
It's also a
Oh.
candle. Look at that butt. Look at that.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
This candle is quite voluptuous. And oh, this is the last one. We got the final one here. And oh, I like this. Bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum. Woo! Oh, this is cute. I love this style. I love when Nana wears this style clothing. $11.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, how much was it originally?
Oh, thank you.
Want to do your right hand first? No? You don't want to do your right hand first? You can do this. Oh, that's cute. Yeah. Woo, I like this. It's like all floppy over here. Just on the glasses. Oh, I like this look. Here we have new Nasty Gal Nana. Straight off of her new order.
Yeah.
So, I mean, obviously she loves shopping, but at least she gets things when they're on like 90% off sales. So that's good. But I guess I do too. I think any human likes sales. Yeah, this is good. I like these purchases.
Yeah.
Sometimes she'll get clothing and I'll be like, what is that? That is crazy. But I like all of these. So that's good. I think all of these are really cute. But even when she gets crazy clothing, I'm still down because she can just rock them and she just makes anything look good. So yeah, this is awesome.
Thank you.
The only thing, the body candles maybe confused me a little, but they're fun. I mean, that's awesome. They're hilarious. Let me wear these glasses.
Okay.
They're mine now. I'm stealing them. Oh. My name is Jason. What do you think about your purchases? How do you...
Oh, so good. I think, good price.
Yeah, good price, and they're all really cute. The materials are all really
Yeah.
soft.
Yes.
They feel like really good quality on everything. So I know nothing about Nasty Gal or women's clothing or clothing in general, but just from feeling it, it feels like really soft and good quality.
Yes.
But again, I don't know. I don't know anything. I like those heels where they're clear on the
Yeah.
inside. That's really cool. And I like all the tops. I don't know. I like when Nana wears like these style tops. I think they're super cute. Those are good last words. All right. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us open this clothing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you guys later.
See ya. Woo!
Hello. Hello. Hi guys. We got a package today from my best friend in Korea.
Oh, that thing is so big. Look at this. I'm the helper today.
Yeah.
I'm the husband helper, and today we're gonna open up this package and see what her best friend sent us.
Okay.
It's actually her best friend and her best friend's husband. They both put this together for us. I'm really excited to see what's in here. Are you excited?
Oh. Oh.
Here, let me just fold this. Yeah. Oh my gosh. What is this? Real pizza bagel chips. No way. Pizza bagel chips. I've never seen these before.
Oh.
Choco cinnamon bagel chips. Garlic butter bagel chips.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, these look amazing. Oh, we're gonna eat these all tonight.
Oh.
What is this? Uh-oh. Nighttime protective pads for women.
Yeah.
Apparently they're really good is what I hear, so
Yeah.
I will take their word for it. Nana requested it from Korea. That's awesome.
Ta-da.
What is this?
Ta-da. My request book. Oh. Oh, car.
Ooh.
Press the car.
Oh my gosh.
I want.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, open it. What is that? Jason and Nana forever.
Oh.
Oh, show that to the camera.
Oh.
Oh, that's so cute. What does that say on the back?
나나 하와이에서 잘 지내고 있니?
What does this say? What does that mean?
Later. 어?
What is this one?
What?
P.S.
어?
What is it?
계획하고 있다면 베이비도 기대합니다.
Oh, they want us to have a baby? We don't know about that yet.
Oh, so
To be
cute.
decided.
Oh, so cute car.
Yeah. Oh, these are awesome. We should put this on the fridge.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
So this is a book that Nana requested from Korea.
따라란.
365.
Yeah, Karen.
Is it teaching you English?
Yeah, so.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
The food was stupid good. Oh.
Yeah.
He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Oh, so it's a calendar, and every day it's teaching
Yeah,
English,
yeah,
but
so-
it's got a lot of like slang terms in here,
Yeah.
right? So, oh, this is really cool. It's got a bunch of examples. So, something like that. Got a bunch of examples. It's English teaching calendar, so she can study every day. This is really cool.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome, and it's not just normal English. It's a lot of slang
some
terms.
more fun.
Yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, and you can. Oh, it opens up. It's got a little stand and
Calendar style.
Oliver's English teachings.
Yeah.
All right, we'll put this over here.
Okay.
And what do we got? This is a huge package they sent us. Oh wow, vegan sunscreen from Korea. Is it from Korea? This looks. Oh yeah,
Korea.
vegan sunscreen from Korea.
Ooh.
Ooh, it's a nice package.
Yeah.
Little container, pretty cute.
Thanks, Sunmi.
Thank you, Sunmi.
Oh.
What is?
This is Jason?
Is it? I don't know. Is it? Or is it you? Maybe it's you.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, this is you for sure. Is it or is it me? Oh my gosh.
Oh.
This is amazing. It's so shiny. Look how shiny this is. Oh my gosh. I can't wait for you to try this on.
Yeah.
This is gonna look
Yeah,
amazing.
cool. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, it feels good too.
Yeah. Maybe rainy day.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Sunmi made.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Sunmi made these?
Yeah. Sunmi job.
No way. These are amazing. Look at that.
New design.
It's got like stones and gems and rocks on it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is so awesome. I love this.
Yeah. Sunmi brand.
And we're always drinking like coffee or tea or things like that. So this is going to get some heavy use. Wow, these are awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sunny.
Thank you, Sammy.
And she protected it with more of these.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sunny. And thank you, Jay, for help sending that out. We miss you guys, Jay and Sunny. Love you guys. Oh! Yeah, wow, this was insane. Oh. Wow, this is crazy. You guys want to see this? You want to see Nana rocking this? I want to see that.
Yeah.
This is a package from Sunmi. It's Nana's best friend in Korea. They've been best friends for a really long time. And actually, you guys started skateboarding together, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, her and Sunmi and Nana started skating together, and they've just been best friends for a long time. Sunmi is so awesome. She's got a husband, Jay. They're two wonderful people. Can't wait to see them in Korea again. Or I want to get them here in Hawaii.
Yeah.
I can't wait for them to
I hope
come.
so.
They were supposed to come here for our wedding, but of course we had to cancel all of that because of the no-no stuff. But once we can get this all figured out, we really want them to come and visit us. You'll see them eventually. So yeah, that was fun.
Yeah.
This is like a really awesome package. Some really cool stuff in Korea. You gotta remember, Nana came here from Korea on her own. You know, she left the place that she grew up in, the place that she knows. She's in somewhere completely different. I mean, you like Hawaii though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Nana loves it down here. We've been having so much fun, but it's still wonderful to get a piece of Korea coming delivered right here to Nana. So thank you, Sunmi. This is insane. This is awesome. 고마워요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Bye.
Bye.
See you later.